Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to verify your age on Roblox. First, open Roblox on your PC and log in to your account. Now click on More from the left side menu to open additional options. Then click on Settings to access your account preferences. Under the Account Info section, locate the option Verify My Age and click on it. Here, you will be prompted to prepare a government-issued ID and a smartphone to complete the process. A QR code will appear on your screen. Use your smartphone's camera app to scan the QR code, which will redirect you to Roblox age verification platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload your ID and complete the identity verification process. Roblox uses advanced facial recognition technology to ensure the ID matches the account holder. Once verified, your age will be updated on your account, giving you access to age-restricted features if applicable. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.